Yep, that way. Hitting the table. Look at this reckless driver today. Go, keep going.
The wagon is trying to
Keep going.
Keep going that far?
Yep, keep going. Keep. Okay, it's Monday. This is any fish we got today. You got him. All right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this one's big. I see
This
it.
one is big, Daddy.
It's been in your pole. Get it, baby, get it. There he is. Look, you see him? You got him. Yay. Has that one got a rainbow on it?
Yep, it's got a rainbow.
It's got a rainbow.
Nice rainbow. Now Grace is at Ferncliff again. We're going to do a little bit of trout fishing before we head out to another event today. She's throwing pond cones at me.
No, them gumballs.
Gumballs.
Yellow belly water snakes are often mistaken for poisonous cottonmouths.
Uh-oh.
So that means that they're not, but they can. They look like it. That's a baby stink pot turtle.
That's what Grace is, a baby stink pot turtle. Look at this turtle. He's looking right at the camera.
Let's go up. Probably weeds.
No, there's a fish on there. Keep winding, don't stop.
We got one.
Keep winding.
We see it.
It's a rainbow fish. Flip them up in the back.
They're clapping for you over there. He's jealous.
Keep winding, take your time. It's a nice one. Oh, here he comes.
Get it, Gracie.
Here he comes. Oh, with the fat one.
Whoa.
Keep winding.
It's going.
Okay, stop.
It's definitely bigger.
The wind can do it.
You're not doing that. No, Grace, hold it out like this. Oh, it's a small one. It's worth
Oh, you be quiet. It's mine.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is working.
He's on there. Hurry up. You're going to get him.
You got it, Mommy. We got a fish at the same time.
No, Mom didn't get a fish.
Wine, Grace, wine. Whoa, look at that. That is another rainbow trout.
The gooey. Let's cook these bad boys up. It's fucking hot.